Hello. Okay, this video I'm going to show you how to color your models once you get them done. Ideally, you'd like to have your colors already set before making the model, but just for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you now. So first things first, you're going to need to organize your bodies into folders, which is going to make this process a lot quicker. So you need to do right-click bodies, new group. You want as many groups as you have colors. So we're going to name this folder black. We're going to name this folder green because that's the two colors that I'm going to use. Now this back body, I know it's going to be black, and these two, I'm just clicking and dragging them into the folders. And now I select two, click one, hold shift, click the second one, and now you can drag it into the folder. And now they are quickly organized in the folders. If you want to see them, you can drop them down. Now from here, you're going to click A, which goes to the Appearance tab right here. If you're doing 3D printing, what you're going to want to set this as is ABS plastic. You can go to Fusion 360 Appearances right here, and then go down to Plastic right here, ABS white. This is going to be the default plastic color because it takes the properties of plastic as far as lighting and texturing and all that. So you can drag this one up here, or you can set it as your favorite. And then once you have that up here ready to go, I have the ABS gray already set as my favorite, so it's already up here. It's my default material. I'll show you how to make it your default material in a different video. So from what you're going to do from here, right click, and you want as many of these as you have colors. Duplicate this, edit. So we're going to go black, done. Right click, second color, edit. We're going to do green, done. Okay, so now we can come over here to the folders. You have to have the folders open in order to do this if you have a lot of bodies. If you only have a couple of bodies like this, it's not that you can drag these on top. But the more efficient way, come over here, folder open, click, drag this onto the body. Or if you have multiple bodies, click, hold shift, and select all the bodies under that folder. Drag the color all the way onto there, and now they're colored. Once you go through all of your colors, click close, and now you have colored your model. If you have 5 or 6 different colors, this is going to be a very fast and efficient way to organize them.